So this is the engine swap. This is a 5.3 from a 2012 Silverardo. It's pretty much stock. The only things I really had to change was remount the alternator to get it out of the way of the steering box, new exhaust manifolds, air intake and filter. The intake manifold is off a Camaro, I think. It's an LS6 unit. The original's too tall. The bell housing obviously is specific to this project. It's got a Jeep AX15 gearbox. It's a brand new one. It's got a Range Rover Discovery LT230 transfer case, and everything else is pretty much stock. The clutch is also from the suppliers of the bell housing. They sell a kit with the bell housing, clutch and flywheel. That's a reconditioned steering pump, brand new alternator, and most of the hoses and tanks and other ancillaries are all brand new. Brake lines are all replaced. Radiator is an aluminium unit, 3-row, and it's got two 10-inch fans for cooling. All the wiring is for the Haltech ECU, so that's all from the suppliers. Just start it. Try and rev it a little bit so you can hear it.